here. It is freezing. Turbo Paul? Hello? Negative 23, and then the wind chill is supposed to be negative 43. So fun stuff. Goggles don't work. You have spare? What's up? Do you have spare goggles? Yeah, my goggles don't heat up. I need new ones. Hey Victor, do you have spare heated goggles?
Sadly, I don't.
No heated. I'm done. Really? I can see nothing. Okay. So it gets on this side, on the belly. You think you can? It's a deep day.
Hey, there's a way to go up. I just can't. Hey. Может подожди, it's gonna hit the other tree, no? Hold on, wait, don't need help. It's gonna hit the other tree, bro. Oh. Good.
Well, here we go. Took down a tree, smashed my front end. Oh, I couldn't stop in town. Yeah.
Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, huh? What happened here, Roman?
I smashed the tree. I took it down. It was standing up. I smashed it and it just came down.
So it's a 50-50.
It's a 50-50.
Let's flip this thing.
Oh, right off the trail. Dude, that's a trench, Dima.
picture. Let's go. Warm it up. You good?
Good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, that's cool. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my battery died.
Oh, look at that snap.
My battery died on my GoPro and I forgot to grab extra batteries. And something's wrong with his gear and he couldn't see. And so now we're both at the trucks, chilling, waiting for the other guys. But this is all frozen. Damage, I'll assess the damage when I get home. But anyways, that is it. Gonna hop in the truck and warm up. Aren't you riding?
It's warm inside.